You guys, 70 suot ako. To say Jesus.
So, ayun guys, papakita niya daw yung ano siya, nung 3 years old siya. From this to this. So, ipapakita mo nung baby ka pa. And, ayun, makulit siya nun eh. So, ayun, pakita mo yung tit mo kung same lang. Pogi na ngayon, no? Okay, let's go guys. Samahan niyo kami. Panoorin niyo yung video ni Jason Ben. Where's your kili-kili? Where's your kili-kili? Ay, galing ah. Where's your teeth? Saan? Wala ka naman teeth eh. Where's your mouth? Wow, very good. Where's your eyes? Aba, galing. Where's your nose? Your nose? Oh, galing ah. Your ears? Wow, galing ah. Saan ang hair? Ay, very good. Where's your head? Ang galing. Where's your kili-kili? Ay, bao. Where's your tongue? Alam pa ba? Where's your kilay? Ay, very good. Where's your pilik mata? Basta pilik mata? Where's your feet? Oh, galing nga. And where's your hand? Where's your hand? Oh, galing ah. Where's your nail? Oh, saan? Galing ah. Your kili-kili power. Where's your kili-kili power? Bye.